Thank you very much for hosting us. The main purpose of the visit is to come to Quetta as UNHCR representative. We are very appreciative of of Baloochistan, the government of Baloochistan and the people of Baloochistan for hosting refugees for so many years. And as UNHCR, we want to help support the fact that you host refugees. And this is a small contribution, being able to provide solarization for this big hospital that receives many patients. We've seen how busy it is this morning, that also receives Afghan refugees. So we would like to contribute towards the running of the hospital. And the solarization will save the hospital up to $250,000 a year in electricity bills. Money that can be put into healthcare that everybody needs, as we've been hearing. So it's a small contribution, but an important contribution, adding to previous support that we've provided to this hospital, for example, in terms of providing incubators for the neonatal wards in the past, ECG equipment, other equipment in the past. This is the latest contribution from UNHCR to the people of Baloochistan.